guys, right now, as you can see, I'm on the road. I'm going to link up with Renee across the road. Then we're going to do some business. Then we'll go downtown. Now we'll buy some shopping. So that's what I kind of have out for today. And yeah, just basically that. And then I might go home and wash because no work today. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I might go to a party later as well. So I'll see where I go. So it depends on how I feel. So journey with me to go and link Renee. Guys, my dad will come Renee all long. I know she can't come. I know she can't come. I mean, I get impatient because here's how you pump people and it might take so long. You know, like when you have somebody that rush, if you say, come now, and then when you do hurry up, then I reach. Oh boy. Wonder how long they might go wait. Oh. Backside, she come finally. So yeah, see, she finally reached. Finally. Hi vlog. So we're across the road, so we can't do that second down now. We can't talk to you, isn't it? Yeah.
Wagwan people, Peter get coming in some lane and some something. So if you don't see me, you don't see a Sheila.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that. It's a shortcut, isn't it? Although people say shortcut draw blood, but the sun too hot, man. So we almost reach the location still. So yeah, and then what you gonna do after this though?
Got home.
Oh yeah, I gotta spend Christmas shopping and buy something money and run. So when we reach and thing will talk to you, isn't it? Yes you guys, guess what almost happened? My last with the end of last. I have to ask the directions. Renee look tired. Renee.
Oh, walk fast. Hi. Look tired. And now we come here for wait.
Yes. So we are going to the mats. Yes, you guys, finally I get through. I don't say I can't see because of the little sunlight. But yeah, we're finally getting through now. We're going downtown to do some shopping because money run for shit.
No, don't do so. Money run for you.
Money run for me?
Yeah, the one where I work.
Yeah. Anyways, we're going to shop because good, I go buy ear and buy something. I know I'm going to do my ear for Christmas now, but I don't know. But anyways, we're going downtown now. Obviously, we have to buy food as well, so.
I'm hungry.
Renee, girl.
So I'm going to come there with me.
Yeah, she's always hungry, guys. So, oh, you can see better now. So, huh?
I mean, I think we'll wait for me to let you.
Alright. Yeah, that means say. Quick, say if you catch a bus now, don't listen, yeah, we can go down listen. One taxi. Or one bus. Either bomba the sun hot, man. And people in Canada or maybe I think in New York. Over US, yeah, are having snow, and like here, sunny. They like to have snow in Jamaica. What if not here? But come like, but not for you guys are saying.
No, if you create fun, people can play, but Jesus, cool, and everybody with big jacket.
And that means say, want to get and get no want.
You can't please them people.
That means so. But only if you come to Jamaica, someone want to snow and come take some full sun. So as you guys see, so we're up on the big main road now, and people are staring at me. Like me, you know?
So I'm the best I know that area, I know nobody going to have.
No, I mean, I'm blaming for you, you know.
What?
So I'll see you guys in the next clip. cousins. This is my sister. Sister. YouTube. Yeah. You can't say hi. Say this is my little sister, you guys.
Yeah, big man. Like that.
I'm a little sister. So, we're gonna just do a couple more shopping and then we'll go home right now.
Okay.
All out shopping. KFC. Well, I'm having barbecue.
So we have barbecue.
Yeah. You want some? I mean, you can't have some.
But I come on and sorry.
If you guys want some, you can come check me. Because you need to me. Then after work home. Sorry, so I couldn't get as much clips while I was shopping, but the crowd was so hectic. I'm afraid to take up my phone. God no. So my phone go. And then I see my phone and they see me around with one man. And I kill the man. And I'm in jail and I can't go away to man. My party for the late, sir. When you hungry, you're not talking to people? That's what you say? So basically, that's what we're doing right now. So, yeah. We need not more business going. But I'm not so sure that I need to treat them bad.
You don't treat them bad, I'm just hungry.
Girl, you're always hungry.
May I come you?
So, when we finish, we'll come back to y'all, okay?
Our time.
We don't know what time. Our time. You asked me all the time, I'm not know what time.
Yeah.
So, I'll talk to you guys when we're finished. You guys, tell me to understand. When you say she depend on diet, what is that in front of her? You could have eat vegetable.
I have a minute salad. I say fast, I never can move.
Me, if you buy cheese salad, why don't you get the refill of the juice then now?
Yeah.
The orange. Yeah, she not easy, yeah, mom. I guess she depend there kind of a big face in front of her. She has something else. There's a basically that my company to tell you. So, yeah. Are you easy?
Finally.
We are at KFC now. Then we'll go home. So, I'll talk to you guys when I reach home, but for Renee, you can tell them bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Yes, your bye is so Sandra, you?
Bye, guys. I'm going to see you long.
So we'll never see you again.
I don't know you have work and then you're going to come to me.
Well, we
start about we got a party, you know, like start about we forgot party and then something there.
How far we got a party?
Come on there.
So,
I'm not sleeping for a long time. I'm not saying them love me. I'm loving the two, but happy to get far.
I know my fault, I'm fearful, so I'll talk to you guys when I reach home. Reach home, change off, and I'm here with you can't call any So we're going to a party. So as you guys know, you're serving. These are my outfits. I'm sorry. So right now we're waiting on a taxi or a bus to reach to our location. So when we reach, we'll get back to you. It looks so. That's what I'm doing. That's what vloggers do. Vlog.
Oh, you're not.
You don't see how I look fine? You're pretty, you know? So I'll be back.
She did love me, gone away. Me never see no, me never see. And she make it the one of me pay. And believe with this, the Bible, me no be understand. time it's hard, very, very. Have to put in the work necessary. Last couple Christmas never merry, but me still hold on to me mede. Me not wrong this year, man ham this year. Passport, Africans, stamp this year. Do the work, want money in a bank this year. If it's even a 1 year, I get crank this year. Last year was the longest